Phew. Sorry guys. I just can't control myself. That's why the video cut in half. Don't worry. Yeah. Let's test it. Then why did you do like a dog? Okay. Just ignore that. Okay. Okay. Swan, are you in there? Oh, owls also love to eat fish. Oh, okay. Others is a break. Huh? Fish. Control yourself. Oh, okay. There we go. Just to squeeze here. Hey, what are you doing? Oops, sorry. Can you please be a little side? Okay. Is there anyone else? Oh yeah, mother penguin. Oh, fish! Control yourself. Why do I need to say everybody? Okay. Anybody else? The baby penguin is too little. We have to hand feed it. Chup, 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 yeah, aren't you small? Such a cute voice. I'm just going to wait here for you all. Okay. That should be all of them. Let's check. Nope. Nobody. Flamingos. Oh yeah, flamingos. And for fish in the water. Flamingo. Hey, flamingo. Did anybody see my name? Ow, ow. Yeah, I did. Oh, pink parrot. Oh, you just blew all of us out. Sorry. What do you want? There is fish. So if you want to eat, just eat. I'm in dry land. This is an island. So this is a bird island, I guess. That's why there are bird holes. So that's the water. And that's the sea. Come on, eat fast. Ow. Hey! Sorry. Oopsie doops. I'm finished. While you all eat, I'm just going to be in here. My stomach is full. I ate half a fish. I ate what are you doing? Oh, okay. Let me control myself. I ate half a fish. So let me rest. Okay. Chip, 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 chip. Let's just. Oops. Sorry, guys. I think there's more mistakes than I thought. But anyways, as I was saying, let's see if his crop is full. Chip, chip. Yeah, his crop is full. So you can stop feeding him now. He's just going to rest. Oh, chip, chip, chip. Okay. Let me read a newspaper. This one. Wait a second. Okay, that's perfect. Meanwhile, I don't know what the others are doing, but I don't know what this white gooey stuff is. Maybe it's from the tsunami. The dust flew away. Well, we read. I have to bend a little because the squeaky things are making bleh. There we go. Good. I have to wash myself because of this gooey thing. But let me give the video here. Oh, I can't stop doing it. Just don't sit in the gooey place like that. Yeah, you must be correct. I'll pull you out of that disgusting place. Okay. Ow. I ate. Look at that. That's just bones. I'm just going to be back. Okay, pull my hand. Oh, come on. Why are you always doing that? Sorry. Today is a very shaky video. Oh? Well, I can read like this. Yeah, of course you can read like that. But you have to be quick because the tsunami is coming. Of course, I'm going in. Yeah, I finished one fish already, the green one, and this one is still not finished. Let me eat the leftovers so that there can be no waste food. Oh, spider just came in my mouth. Oops. Yeah, oopsie doops. Let me eat the leftovers. Ew, I didn't know you eat fish, but I have to eat because it's their food. Especially the leftovers. Oh yeah, I'm not eating. I'm just going to throw this away. Okay, let's just throw it in the dustbin. Meow! Oops, sorry cat. It's okay. Phew, was that a cat? Maybe it's very skinny. Maybe it will eat the fish because it's very skinny. So, I'm sorry. Yeah, of course. Hey, where did the green fish go? Maybe they ate it? Yeah, it could be that. Oh, there's the green fish again. I ate it. But I thought your crop was finished. No, I just had some more space, so I ate. Oh, okay. Let me go in. Is there any more bird? Attention! Is there any more bird? Any more bird out of there? No, we are all in. Oh no! Except me. Just go in, Mr. Pigeon. Okay, now I'm in. Okay. Ow! Sorry. Let me get. Oh no, I see the tsunami. Everybody, it's coming this way. Now it's so speed, it already came. So hold on tight. The fourth tsunami is here. I mean I don't know which is it, but hold on tight in case whichever it is. But hold on tight. Whatever I said. Okay, so there were 11 tsunamis. Let me calculate. Ow. So 11 minus 4. 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 more tsunamis to go. Phew. 7 more, that's a lot, man. I don't think I can wait that long. But the others are still in there. Come on, everybody. Need a leader to come. So, when the leader comes out, then, okay, maybe he's doing something. Okay, I'm coming. It's all wet grass in this island. Yeah, whatever you say, wherever you see, it's wet grass everywhere. Yeah, because the tsunami is making it all wet. Even the boreholes are wet. Can you see these little drops? Yeah, there are also a lot of flies. The mosquitoes, I mean. The mosquitoes come in water. Oh yeah. So make sure don't to swallow them. And the other one, don't to go near them because they can spread diseases like malaria and dengue. Of course. Do you think I am silly? No, I am not silly. Okay. But the flowers are still okay, but they are also wet. Oh no, one flower break. Don't worry. I'm just going to sunbathe. But not for too long because the other tsunami is also coming. Did you know, guys? Did you know, children, that the sun gives you vitamin D or C? I don't know how to explain, but kids, the sun gives vitamin C from the sunlight so that you can be healthy and they get into work and our body feels nice and fresh. Also work for our body. I'm just going to sunbathe as well. That sounds perfect for my body because I'm getting more weaker. Okay. What about the others? Maybe they will come later. Of course. Let me call them. Okay. Kids, my wife, come on, let's sunbathe. Okay. Kids, come on, let's sunbathe. That's not my kid. Kids, come on. Why are you joking? I'm bringing your elder brother in the way. Because it's funny. But where are you? Time for my torch so that I can see. That's perfect. My torch can help me see in dark. There you are. I see your super long tail. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got me. But where's your sister? I have to dive in also. Oh, I see her tail also. His tail and her tail. Because he's a boy, she's a girl. That's better. Come on, okay. Come on, let's bathe my family. Yeah, kids. Come on, let's bathe. It gives you vitamin C. Oh, I want vitamin C. What does it mean actually? It means the cells in the sun will help your body feel strong and healthy. Oh, I want that. Me too. They grow up so fast. Yeah, I know. Phew, they are only 9 months old. Yeah, I know that. But the newborn little brother is just, I guess, 1 month old. And the sister is 9 months old. Okay, you got a little confused there. Yeah, she got a little confused back there. Of course, I don't care. Okay, sunbathe is over for me because I've been here for a lot of time. So sunbathe is over for me. Let me go in again. Every time the tsunami is over, you will go back and sunbathe. Yeah. I was with the flamingo, so my sunbathe is over too, with the flamingo at the same time. That leaves us. 2 minutes later. Okay kids, it's been 2 minutes. Let's go in again before the 6th tsunami comes. Okay. And for me, of course we are waiting for you. But here it comes. Come on everybody. Is everybody inside? Yes! Okay, here comes the tsunami. Hold on tight. Yeah, of course we are. Okay, so that was the sixth tsunami. So there are 5 more left. Okay, now there are 5 more left. Now let's sunbathe again. Yeah, as I said, after the all tsunamis, let's sunbathe. Wait, let me come with my mother. Okay, let's sunbathe again. The light is coming. Can you see, guys? Come on, family. Let's go. Yeah, I'm coming. Like, I'm just coming. Come on, Blue Jay. Let's go. Yay! I'll be here this time. Okay. This time I will also bathe. Sunbathe, of course. We can also call it a sunbath. Yeah. My wing is upside down. Let me correct it. There we go. Phew. There's a lot of work here. Yeah, it's a busy day. Because of the tsunamis, we are trying to dodge them, you know. Yeah, we have to go quick, Daddy. Yeah, we have to go quick. Because we cannot stay here for long. Because here is going to be another tsunami. I know that. Yeah, we know that. Don't have to say it. Okay. Let's go in. Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, I think the tsunami is just coming in a few minutes. So, I think I can wait for that. Yeah. Okay. I think I moved the wet grass. Now our base is very wet. See? Very, 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 very wet. These are wet. Well, I guess I don't know what are the others doing in those bird holes. Those two. One here and one in the middle, and that one is empty. I don't know what they are doing. Maybe when more birds come, so that one will also be full when the tsunami comes. But I think this is a very big abandoned bird hole. Yeah, I think. But don't worry, we will clean it. Yeah, we will clean it, Daddy. Yeah, but there's no time because we can't do cleaning in between the tsunamis. So I'm just going in. Come on, kiddo. Yeah, I'm coming. Huh? Yeah, I came from here. I'll be back. Is everybody ready for the 5th tsunami, I guess? No, the 6th one. Yeah, we are ready for the 6th one. Always ready. Okay, here it comes. Hold on tight. So much bubbles. Don't go now. Man, that ruffled up my feathers. Okay, so there are 4 more left. So after this, it will be the 5th tsunami coming. So I'm just going to wait. Yeah, it's a very much tsunami attack. Yeah, he wasn't lying. Yeah, of course he was not lying. Because he wants to save us, you know. Ow. Let's go and sunbathe. Maybe the others are sleeping. Yeah. Oh, come on, others. Why are you not coming anytime to sunbathe? Maybe the duck will come. Yeah, ducks love to be in sun. So I'm coming. I'm already here. Yeah, the leader is already here. Yeah, that's me. Everybody is. Don't come everybody, because there will be no space and there would be a lot of, it will be a very much time to get everybody inside, and the tsunami will just come before it. Yeah, so we'll wash away. Always stick together, otherwise we will lost. Yeah, we will be lost. Of course, I just forgot to say we will be, so I'm just going to. I'm coming. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's the last one. Oh, you guys are sunbathing? I'll not come because I don't want to. I'm just sleeping. Phew, well, that was good. Do you hear that? What? I don't hear anything. Yeah, I hear something. I think you don't hear, but I hear something. Splashes and so much beating of drums. Something like that. Oh yeah, I also hear it little bit. Is that the sound of the another tsunami? I also hear it. Me too. Hi. Okay, the other tsunami is coming, that means. Yeah. No, not mosquitoes again. Oh, come, ow, ow, ow. The mosquitoes are so quick. Maybe they will wash away in the tsunami. Yeah. The natural disasters, they will all dodge. Yeah, we cannot stay outside for long. And here comes the sixth tsunami, I guess. I don't know which one it is, but I think it's the fifth or sixth. Must be the fifth or sixth, I don't know. Maybe it's the fifth. Yeah, the sixth is already gone, I think that. Okay. Oh, and here it comes. Hold on tight. Oh, bubbles. Do not go yet. After the tsunami, there will be a lot of bubbles to play with. So, after that, then go. Yeah, I'm saying that. Oh, yeah, the leader is saying it. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I was there. Okay, here it comes. Don't come now out. Come on, it's not the correct time to be out because the tsunami is here. Oh no, hold on tight. Just like before, explosion of water. Oh, not splashed again. Yeah, we are not splash toys. Others don't come out. Yeah, we will listen to the leader like good people. Yeah. Okay. That's Peppa Pig's song. That is jumping up and down in the muddy puddles. I'm good at singing this. Anyone who is going to join me? Come on, let's join and sing together before the other tsunami comes. Okay, I'm coming. Just a little tight squeeze. I hope the tsunami is not here. Yeah, leader. Yeah, I'm bigger than you. When I sit, then I'm smaller than you. Because my flexible legs are making it hard to stand. Because still I'm the leader. Because I'm the tallest here. Oh, yeah, you're still the leader. Let me join. Okay, 3 people. Okay, that's it. Let me think again. Yeah. Good ending. Yeah. Okay, I will bring my radio. Okay. Teet, teet, teet. Oh, you're searching. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles from Peppa Pig. Yeah. Teet, teet, teet. There it is. Teet. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splash, splish, splash. And a big splash here and a big splash there. Here a splash, everywhere a splish splash. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splish, splash, splash, splish, splash. Okay, let's just end till there. Now the theme song will be, I guess it will be after this tsunami, the fifth one. Maybe it's the fifth one, I don't know. Yeah, it's the fourth one. After this fourth tsunami, then we will continue. Let's go back in. Mr. Pigeon and Mother Penguin. Come on, quick, don't make a list. Okay, and here it comes. Everybody hold on tight. Yeah, leader. Okay, here it comes. It's done. Come on, let's just continue. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Ow. My legs are getting in the way. Phew. There we go. Come on, now I brought my radio with me, so I'll play Teet Teet Teet. Oh, Rainbow song from Peppa Pig. Yeah. Teet 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 Teet. That one. Teet. Come on, everybody. Before the song starts and before the tsunami starts, more important than the songs. Yeah, because songs cannot damage, but the tsunamis can make serious damage to our body. Yeah. Let me come. Rainbow, rainbow. Don't sleep, because it's a very sleepy song. It's just made like that. Okay. Rainbow, rainbow. It's a rainy, sunny day. Rainbow, rainbow. It's nice to see you. I'm singing that. Okay, just stop singing. Rainbow, rainbow. Just play the bing bong sound. The bing bong song from Peppa Pig. I'm feeling sleepy with this rainbow song. Me too. Okay. Teet 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 teet. Okay, here's the bing bong. Yay! I love it. Ting ting. You're all in the zoo, everybody. Yeah, I love it. Bing bong bing bong bing boom. Bing bong bingly bongly boo. Yeah, that's the beat. Bing bong bing bong bing boo. We are all going to the zoo. 2 minutes later, after all that dancing. Oh, I see the tsunami. Come on, everybody, back in your places. Okay. Okay, it was so fast, he's already here. Hold on, everybody. The fourth one. Okay. It's too quick, because these tsunamis are speeding more up. Maybe we can just... There's nothing else to do now. I think we did all of the songs. So let's do the PJ mask. This is the last. Get the PJ Mask theme song. Into the night. Okay, let's just sing that when we start the video. The video, whatever. But the video is having a little mistakes or a lot of mistakes. But I'm sure it's coming perfectly. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Come on, Mother Penguin. Yeah, I'm coming. Teet 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 teet. Boom 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 boom. Okay, here it comes. Boom 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 boom. Cat boy, owlet, gecko. Let's go into the light. Save the day. Who are these heroes to show you the way? PJ Mask, get a PJ Mask. 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 Do-do-do, PJ Mask. Okay, that's finished. Tunu. Wow, what great dancing. Anyways, let's go back to the bird holes. Yeah, I see the tsunami. Oh, it's already there. Come on, yeah, there's no time to waste. I can't say anything because it's so fast. Okay, here it comes. Hold on, everybody. Okay. Well, that's over. Now let's what are you doing? Ow, ow. Okay, ow, ow, ow. What are you doing? Okay. Phew. Okay. I'm just going to sleep like this. That's how flamingos sleep in their style. And this is how penguins sleep in their style. 1 hour later. Oh no, I forgot about the tsunami. Come on, quick. It's so fast I can't record it. Sorry guys, you can't see this one coming. But everyone, hold on tight. That was a secret one. The third one was a secret one. What was that sound? Oh no, it's a whale. No! I thought it was a whale. I heard it was a whale sound. Did anybody get swallowed by a whale? No, 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 no. Wait! What happened, little baby penguin? My mother, I can't see her. Maybe she's swallowed by the whale. Come on, we have to rescue her. But, oh yeah, this green fish has a sharp fin. Maybe if we poke it in the whale skin, it will hurt the whale and the mouth will open and the mother penguin will be free. Come on. It's still alive. It is living in that small puddles. Oh, there he is. And there's the whale. Now he's down. Okay. And it's like a ninja spinny things, but it's like it. Just imagine it is. Sword, I will call it sword ninja tail. Bird. Ah, no. Thanks for saving me. You're welcome. Let's go in. The other tsunami is coming. I'll take this and put it in the puddle back again where it was. It's swimming. But here's the other one. Whoop, 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 whoop. The fish is still there. Ugh, I'm just stretching myself. Oh, oopsie doops. Now the fish says splashing sound is coming. Now the water birds are going to eat it. Oh no. Fish? I hear fish. I'm the only one who is hungry. No! There. There. No! What did you do? Oh, he's too hungry to listen. Tasty. No, don't eat it. Come on, it's already dead. Perfect. Come on. Now you have to throw it in the dustbin. Come on. Oh, not this one too. Orange is my favorite color. Not these mosquitoes. I hear more fish. I'm so hungry. I will eat it. No! He's too hungry to listen and he's already dead. Blech. Hey, I got an idea. Let's grab his feet so that I can lure him away. No, he will pull away with the fish. What shall we do? I hear some more fish in the sea. Oh, no. Let me just eat this. Let me give it to my babies. I didn't know you had babies. No, they're with my wife in vacation. So, I'm just going to save it. Okay. But here comes the other one. Something just bite through my wing. Don't know what it was. So perfect. He's still eating that fish. He's not letting go. See. be done. Now. Okay, let's just tame him so that he becomes normal again. Hey, remember you're in our group? If you be wild, we will let you out of our group. Oh, sorry, leader. I was just getting distracted. Oh, it's okay, little one. Oh, and all apologize. Don't do that because the first and the final tsunami is here. That means it's the biggest one because it's the first. And here it comes. Oh no, it's the biggest one out of all of them. It was big. That's why its splashes was also big. Yay! We survived all of the tsunamis. Yes! Birds did it! Let's celebrate before we cut the video. Yeah! Everybody, let's come out to celebrate.